we've got a special Halloween edition cocktail for you today. I'm Robbie. This is my lovely wife, Caroline. Happy Halloween, Caroline. Woo. We're here at Muddy River Distillery to make this drink for you today. This is like just a seasonal, awesome cold cocktail. So we're gonna do this in mason jars today. It's gonna feature our award-winning spiced Carolina rum. That's like almost half of our business right now. That stuff is phenomenal, very unique, best spiced rum I've ever had. Obviously, I'm gonna say that. We're also a week away from Muddy River Fest, our 10-year anniversary, where we launch our coffee rum, throw a giant festival in our front yard. We're gonna have Euphonic playing that day, Sun-Dried Vibes, free to get into this festival. And we're gonna donate proceeds from drink sales to the Catawba River Keepers, who look out for our drinking water and the water we like to swim in with kiddos. So. Anyway, we're featuring the spiced rum. What else is in this cocktail, Caroline?
Well, we are going to use apple cider. I got sparkling apple cider here, but you can use either one.
Cool, cool.
Also cream soda and pumpkin puree.
Nice. All right, so I'll get us started. I'm gonna fill these jars up with some ice.
Yeah. Yeah, this is good little punch to drink and very nice.
Ice is going everywhere. All right, that's enough ice. I know I said that's enough ice. It's crazy, I never say that. All right, what's next?
The ice.
Rum?
Next, rum.
Cool.
2 ounces each.
2 ounces each, huh?
We argue about the proportions on these drinks all the time.
More is better.
Yes.
It's a spiced rum. I mean, you can't put enough of this in. It's sneaky though.
Yeah.
That's huge. When you drink that typical Home Depot paint thinner section rum, you can taste the rum because it's so intense. But this, sneaky.
Just
very
yummy.
Sneaky. All right, so we got the rum in there. What's next?
So the pumpkin puree, get that in there mixed up real good. So one for each. And this is 1.5 ounces, which is 3 tablespoons. Just give it a little pumpkin kick. And that orangey color.
Okay.
Then next we'll do cream soda. So 4 ounces each of cream soda.
I've measured
split
out
that up.
8 in here. All right. Career move over here. Okay.
Cream soda.
Cream soda.
And then top it off with the apple cider.
All right. This is sparkling apple cider. Is all apple cider sparkling?
No, some are just flat. This makes a big drink too. I do about 4 ounces of cream soda, 4 ounces of the apple cider.
Important to really stir when you're using pumpkin puree or anything. Really stir, incorporate those ingredients. Get aggressive with it.
Yeah. Oh, I have a little baby whisk. I have to whisk it. Darn.
I don't think we need to necessarily whisk it. This could have been shaken and then add the cider.
Yeah.
Like 50 different ways to skin a cat.
Yeah.
Who made that turn up? Anyway, looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now, if you're drinking this drink and you got kiddos and you're going trick-or-treating, you're gonna make this the discreet trick-or-treat. We got our Mother of the Year cup and our Father of the Year cup. So we're going trick-or-treating with Marty and Max.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Fill her up.
put some ice in these guys and then...
I said this made a big drink and I meant it. Woo.
It's a big cup.
Perfect. And we all know if you have kids, you need to drink every once in a while, so.
Don't ever say that. All right, now we can go trick-or-treating. Put your lid on, safety first. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and the festival we have coming up. Don't forget to find our liquor in your local liquor store. Thank you so much for watching and happy Halloween. Cheers, my love.
Cheers.